Number 2, your body is not a building. Understanding what tensegrity is. When you imagine your skeleton, oftentimes you might think of a rigid frame, bones stacked like steel beams holding you upright throughout compressions. This mental model shapes how you think about your posture, alignment, and pain. But your body doesn't work like that at all. The human body is a tensegrity structure, a system that maintains stability not through rigid compression, but through continuous tension. The term tensegrity combines tensional integrity. In a tensegrity structure, compression elements, or bones, float within an unbroken network of tension elements, muscles, fascia, ligaments, tendons, and some fluid. These compression struts never directly touch each other. Instead, they're suspended in a web of tension that keeps them spaced and stable. This is radically different from a building frame, where rigid connections stack weight through compression. In your body, stability emerges from balanced tension throughout the entire system. So, why does this matter? Because when tension becomes imbalanced in a tensegrity structure, the entire system deforms, even if every compression strut or bone remains perfectly intact. Bones can misalign without becoming damaged. Joints can drift without trauma. Posture can collapse without injury. The system fails upstream at the tension level, not at the bone. This explains why X-rays and MRIs often show normal bone structure, while you may experience significant pain or dysfunction. The imaging captures the compression elements in bones, but cannot reveal the true tension imbalances driving the symptoms. Your bones may be perfectly healthy, while the fascial and muscular tension systems that pull them into dysfunctional positions. Consider a tensegrity model. Pull one cable too tight and the whole system warps. Release tension in one area and compensatory tension increases somewhere else. This is exactly how your body responds to sustained positions, repetitive motions, injury compensation, or chronic stress. Tensegrity structures have unique properties. Number 1, they're pre-stressed. The system is always under tension, ready to respond instantly to force. Number 2, they're globally responsive. Force applied anywhere affects the whole structure. Think about this like a tidal wave. If I poke here and I rub this, that energy has to go up and be distributed through my body. Number 3, self-stabilizing. When it's disturbed, the system naturally returns to equilibrium. And number 4, energy efficient. This distributes load through the entire network rather than concentrating stress at single points. This is why local treatments often fail. You can massage one tight muscle, adjust one stuck joint or rib, or stretch one limited area, but if you don't address the global tension imbalances that create that local symptom, the problem just returns. The tensegrity system simply pulls back into its learned pattern. Understanding your body as tensegrity changes the question from what is broken to where is tension imbalanced. It shifts treatment from fixing parts to restoring balance throughout the whole system. Your bones, more likely than not, are not the problem. They are floating in a sea of tension, and that tension tells the real story.